Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue the previous video, and in this video, we are going to introduction with Firebase. So what is Firebase? Firebase is a mobile and a web application development platform developed by Firebase. Alright. So to get started with Firebase, we can search on Google just with keyword Firebase, and it will bring us to this page, and we see here, and we press firebase.google.com, and we see here Firebase Help mobile and web app team succeed, and we can scroll down what main feature of Firebase: build better apps, improve app quality, grows your business, and much more. Alright, so we need to go to console right here, and as we can see here, this is our Firebase console, and for the very first, in this page, it will be blank, no project, because I have tried and I have created some project. This is my previous project. Alright, so right now we need to create a new project, and we name it as my Flutter college. Alright, and continue, and just continue and create a project, and just wait until the process is finished. Alright, so our project is ready. Just click continue again. So this is our project, and as we can see here, Spark plan. It means that we are free for the try. It's more than enough, I think. Alright, so for this section, we just need to focus on this. So we select database, and we need to create a new database right here, and then we start in test mode, and just press next, and then we need to change, or we need to select CRUD file store location. We can select US or Europe. For now, I select US and done. Alright, so this is our database, and as we can see, we don't have any collection right here. So what is collection? So what is CRUD file store data model? So CRUD file store is a NoSQL document-oriented database. Unlike a SQL, there are no table or rows. Instead, you store data in documents which are organized into collection. Each document contains a set of key and value pairs. CRUD file store is optimized for storing large collection of small documents. All documents must be stored in collection. Document can contain sub-collection and nested objects, both of which can include primitive fields like string or complex objects like list. Collection and document are created implicitly in CRUD file store, simply assigned to a document within a collection. If either the collection or document does not exist, CRUD file store will create it. Documents live in a collection, which are simply containers for our documents. For example, we could have a users collection to contain our various users, each represented by a document. For our project, let's say we want to save students collection to contain our various students, each represented by a document. And a document is a lightweight record that contains fields which map to values. Each document is defined by a name. Alright, so let's create a new collection right here. And for the collection ID, we say my college or my student, and select next. And then let's say we want to save a document ID which is look like this. And for the field, let's say student name and then student ID, and then study program ID, and the last student GPA, and string, and the last is number, and let's say 3.5, and this is a dummy, and this is, and let's say John Chena, and save it. And now we see a new collection which is my students, and inside this collection we have various students. In this section we just have one student, John Chena, and on the right side we see pair of value and key, which is student GPA is a key, and on the right this is a value for every key. So that's enough my video today. In the next video we are going to connect our Firebase to our Flutter project. That's enough, and see you on the next video.